Ya, pilih mau yang mana mangonya.
Okay, I will do it. Okay. Hi.
Semua Mbak Ebi mikir dulu.
Ayo, Ebi, ayo. Hello, guys. Today I'm making. Can you guess? Mango sorbet. First, we need mangoes. Make sure the mangoes are ripe, and then cut the flesh into chunks like this. Then lemon juice, sugar, water, salt, and asin. First, we will blend all the ingredients together. I'm gonna put the mango first. I will put everything in this jar. Oh. Whoa. This is mango-y. Sugar in. Water in. Water that. Yay, the water.
What is that you just poured?
That's lemon juice. And then the last ingredient is salt. Just a pinch of salt. Okay, let's blend this up, guys. Don't forget to put on the lid. For the ice cream to come. I can't put it there. And put this one. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
How about this?
Done. I'm gonna taste this mixture just a bit.
Can you taste it?
Yeah,
How is it?
yummy.
Is it too sweet?
Nope.
No? It's perfect?
Yeah. Perfect. Now it's time to pour this into the ice cream machine. I am preparing the machine. I'm setting the time all the way here so it's under the paddle. Very easy. It's just like this. Whoop. Very easy. Pour in the mixture. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I can do it. These two, the red button is to freeze the mixture, and the yellow button is to mix. Now close the lid, Mama! Now I'm closing the lid! Alright, and now it's time for the board part. We have to wait. Are we ready? Wow, mango ice cream! Mama, can you give it some, please? So much. That's so big, man. I want it. I want it. Wow. The score is also 100. Alright, guys. This is a Windows survey. The recipe on the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, see ya.